those days which you are come again, I start my teaching. If you start are there that time each and every day, new moment which you handles, show new educating media. That's why learning point of nature which can be present in between me and student. I carry, I perform, I move up on every day. That's why those lessons, those are the remaining point which you remains are that I want to cover them as earlier as. That's why those lessons which you start are that I write the name of this inside them. Sir, when you start that lessons are there, every day you want to tell something new. Today what's new? But before starting of every lesson, method master, the subject teacher, it's one duty to tell somewhat points which are related with them within a short duration. What is the aim of this? Each and every student become in science. That's why recap, renew, once again regenerate about that points necessary from which student, teacher, circumference, media, all our region around them come inside science. When you study about that lessons are there which points are covered within a short duration. I want to cover that points. Sir, when you start that lesson, first of all we try to understood what is the real meaning, which are the real idea, which can be performed by inside word is so much valuable, so much precious. Because of that inside word that history going on and on, atom I know very well. That's why complete title of lesson inside the atom we are at that stage, whatever ability you understood or not understood, sir, exposed in front of you. If it is yours are there, we are asking 4 types of questions. From that point of angle, idea given for student. Each and every, if you want to make them, build them, manufacture them, create them, organize them, that time it is made from atom. If students are understood, that time he come in science laboratory and say every formula, every compound, every mixture made from atoms. Atom is the basic. Atom is the fundamental. Without this, you can't do anything. I give a lot of examples. New point can be start from that historical development. Each and every scientist which have interest to do something about atoms are that he tried to tell, observe anyone's eye. That's why I am not given at a time all scientists that stage. Each and every scientist which are showing their information I subdivided per hour from which students are not confused. If you start them, first of all we try to start from them, which Rishi Khanna, lot of things about them I tell you. I am not doing more about that. Second of all, Democritus, John Dalton, Lampundi, Gundi, J.J. Thomson atomic model. Discovery up and now. Every scientist says that I modified, I developed, I knew things for atoms. Last of all, we reach just to one point of angle. Very nice. Too much better, superior. Fine. Those which you are do's are there without any confusion. I can be sketch, construct, all model, Rutherford atomic model, scattering of alpha. We are only observable them and we reach just to last conclusion. Sir, which are the any time, every time you can be say that are the atomic structure. But somewhat development beyond, beyond the way. But here last structure which you are come here, where you study about atomic structure. When you study about atomic structure, we deeply understood, sir, positively charged particle always present inside that. These are my consideration. All are saying, I want that, I published that. That's why positive charge concentrated inside nucleus. There are 2 particles which charge, which notation, symbol, sign, everyone silent feature, characteristics which are occur, I also completed. We reach just to one point of angle where electrons are remaining. If electrons are remaining, and another 2 point I want to cover on to. Sir, isotopes. teaching which are handled as teaching. Isotopes. Sir, what do you mean by isotopes? Name suggests own information. Those written word isos are there. Iso means similar, close with each other. They can be given a similarity in between them. They can be shown like with each other. But he says that whatever drawn material which can be gum out from, I also belong that family. I also belong from that category. But showing different units. But what are the real difference between elements and isotopes? Suppose that, think in your mind, I can be given certain types now. Suppose that